Well, I think the oil and gas sector is always a strong sector. I would be cautious, however, on the shale oil and gas players. I think that's a bit of a bubble. And if you look at it, most of those companies are actually cash flow negative. They're making a profit, they're making an operating cash flow, but overall cash flow negative, and it's a very, very high risk play. They're raising a lot of debt, have to raise new equity all the time, and the big players like Shell, BHP are actually selling some of their poor performing areas in the shale area. But for oil and gas, I think the demand is strong. I think the supply remains fragile, and I think the prices are going to go up in real terms. Well, the commodities I like are tin and tungsten. They're boutique metals. I think the base metals are going to struggle for another 6 months or so, but tin and tungsten are finding increased use in boutique areas. Tungsten's used in hardening steels, and that's always being used. Tin is finding more and more uses in boutique areas, but importantly, the supply of tin is really dwindling coming out of Indonesia and other Southeast Asian areas and South America. So there's plenty of opportunity at the current price of tin for new players in Australia to come forward. Well, in the oil and gas sector, I like Fitzroy River Corporation. Now, Fitzroy actually has a 2% royalty over much of the central parts of the Canning Basin, and so they've got that 2% royalty over anything that Buru and Mitsubishi find and produce there at Ngani, at Uluru, and that is, going forward, that's going to be a fantastic asset. It's a long-term play, and they don't have any money to put out. They've got cash in the bank. And the other one I like, of course, is the big daddy in the market is Woodside. They've got a huge cash flow coming in from their liquefied natural gas. Spot sales for LNG in Asia at the moment, up to $20 a gigajoule. They are making a huge amount of money, and they've got an abundance of organic growth opportunities coming their way.